Locations impacted include Russellville, Carroll, Pottsville, Petit Jean River Wildlife Management Area, Mount Nebo State Park, Moseley, London, Lake Dardanelle State Park, Lake Dardanelle, Lake Hatkins, Hector, Hattieville, Happy Bed. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Conway County in central Arkansas, Garland County in central Arkansas, Perry County in central Arkansas, northwestern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, northwestern Saline County in central Arkansas until 7:15 p.m. At 6:24 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 4 miles southwest of Jesseville, or 11 miles northeast of Lake Washita, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Perryville, Lake Maumelle, Hot Springs Village, Hot Springs, Piney, Williams Junction, Perry, Mountain Pine, Long Mountain, Little Italy, Lean Landing Recreation Area, Lake Winona, Lake Sylvia, Lake Washita State Park, Lake Coronado, Lake Balboa, Jesseville, Hot Springs National Park. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Newton County in north-central Arkansas, northern Pope, Pope County in central Arkansas, southwestern Searcy County in north-central Arkansas, northwestern Van Buren County in north-central Arkansas until 7:15 p.m. At 6:28 p.m. National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Dover, or 10 miles north of Russellville, and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Woods Spring, Watts, Carroll, Salo, Smyrna, Point Peter, Moore, Marcina, KIMO, Hector, Illa, Dover, Dabney, Broomfield, Bohannon, Tully, Snowball. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for Arkansas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 2 a.m. Monday morning for northeastern Arkansas. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for